There is something special about working with your hands. It's grounding, meditative, and honestly, one of my favorite ways to spend a quiet morning. And today I'm making this valid tray for a dear friend as a Christmas gift. It's easy to get caught up in comparison, especially with social media. But here's the thing, your worth isn't tied to anyone else's opinion. If you love what you're doing, that's enough. Focus on what makes you happy and let the rest fade away. This by no means that you shouldn't take advice and constructive feedback, but you need to know your why and just work at it. This also reminds me of the poem The Road Less Traveled by Robert Frost. It's a path that has many obstacles and less chosen, but it's also the path that has the highest rewards. Every piece I make has a part of me in it. The little imperfections, the handmade feel, that's what makes it special. So don't be afraid to embrace the flaws in your work or in yourself. They are what sets you apart. There's beauty in taking things slow, and in a world that values speed, crafting by hand teaches patience. It also reminds me that the process is just as important as the result. When it comes to packaging, I like to keep things simple yet elegant. I actually got this idea from Sarah Types. Her approach to packaging is creative, classy, and effortlessly beautiful. That's what I think, anyways. It's proof that you don't need to overcomplicate things to make them special. And later, I went to a Christmas carol performance, and it reminded me of how magical the holiday season can be. My spirits just lifted seeing all the families gathered there. It was a reminder that it's not about the gifts or the hustle. It's about coming together with the people you love, sharing laughter, and being in the moment. This holiday season, I hope you take a moment to slow down, spend time with family. And if you don't have a family or you live far away from your family, take the time out with your friends, enjoy the little things, and don't stress about making everything perfect. Just be present. It's the greatest gift you can give to yourself and to the ones you love.